Yeah, me and Fuya just now started on his car. We're gonna pop the cold air intake, air intake off to make it easier to get to the intake manifold and get the fuel injectors, and then to get to the mass airflow. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this. Of course, that little bolt decided to bust off. But look, we got it all off there. Now the fun part's going to get the mass airflow off, which will be quick, easy. I'll get that knocked out real quick. While he gets the rest of this probably torn down, I'll get the new mass airflow installed, and then get the intake manifold off, fuel injector, fuel rail, all that, so we can get it knocked out. Yeah, I'm about to pull the mass airflow. Usually it's like the circular ring, you know. Normally the mass airflow, it's not built in like this normally. Just so you know, fun fact for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh. That bolt is pretty dang tight in there. Try this one. I don't want to break your tool.
Yeah, it seems like. This is the old mass airflow, which was held in with Phillips head screws. That's the hole. There's the new one. And I will show you me putting it in.
Ready?
What?
It's not buzzing.
One's not budging.
Goes for the intake gas, or the intake manifold. I don't want to break the bolt or something, you know?
Because we've already broken
Yeah.
one. Well, probably like I said, it was probably over tightened already from the get-go.
Yeah. Oh, you're fucking kidding me.
Just know that's on video, but I don't give a shit. Ugh.
I'm gonna turn your tools sideways because it is.
Well, did you drop something?
Yeah, socket.
One of mine?
Mine.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Try to record.
Don't care. Don't care. Oh, yep. That's already installed.
Yeah.
Mass airflow already installed. That's the old mass airflow. Like you can tell, it's a little dirty, but not that dirty.
Where I put that name?
That's done. Yeah. Normally you can disassemble these, because I found that out. But no, not this one. So this one's getting thrown away because there's no way of me disassembling it. That's done. So now, yep. So we really don't have. Well, we have intake manifold gasket and fuel injector, which is right there, guys. And I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. It's a 12mm bolt, and we're using a 12mm 6-point socket, and it's already getting torn up. So yeah, this is not looking good. The shit we have to deal with, guys.
Yes.
As much as I want to deal with the shit, we're having to deal with it. But
Should we get the Ugga Dugga out?
that's going. I don't know. I don't even know if that's going to be even smart. I mean, we can try. Of course, we can't get it out.
Look at that bolt
Turn,
in there.
we're
See that
going
top
to
bolt?
get the fuel injector.
That top
Yeah.
bolt's like fucked.
Yeah, that's very fucked. So, fuel injector it is.
It's definitely
Yeah. So,
Yes.
gotta put all the intakes back on. Because we'll fuck with it later. But do this tonight. So the bolts are tightened back down.
No.
Now the next thing is that fuel injector.
Oh.
So yeah. Oh, hey guys, so for the part of the bolt that's in the that's broken off, we're going to buy a thread extractor set for that, and we're going to have to buy a bolt extractor set more than likely for that one bolt that the head somewhat rounded off. So I wanted to let you guys know if I haven't already told you guys. And when we start working on it, I'll start recording again, so then it'll be even longer video.